Hi, this is S. Mato, Accounts and Tax Consultant from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. Today, I try to clarify the doubt related to GST treatment in case of import or export of goods and services. For your better understand, I divided this topic in two parts. First part is import of goods and services, and second is export of goods and services or supply of goods and services to the special economic zone. When you import goods, then you are liable for custom duty and IGST also as per the provision of Customs Act. And when you import services, then you are liable for IGST only under the reverse charge mechanism as per the provision of IGST Act. So your first part is clear, and now I am telling about the export of goods and services or supply to a special economic zone unit. Always remember, when you export or supply of goods and services to the special economic zone unit, this supply always be treated as zero rated supply. Whether the rate of that particular goods or services may be 0% or 28%, it will not matter. Your export or your export of goods and services or supply of goods and services to the special economic zone always be treated as zero rated supply. It means in case of export or supply of goods and services to the special economic zone, no taxes is to be charged, but the benefit of refund of input tax credit is allowed. Okay, so it was the total GST consequences related to the import or export of goods and services or also supply to the special economic zone. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and please contact for any kind of GST compliances or tax compliances, income tax compliances and accountancy. You can contact us in our number. Our number is mentioned on our description box. Thank you very much.